Hi guys, I'm Georgina and today I'm going to show you how to style up a nursery from a softer look going to a bolder look. So I've chosen these two products from Snuggle Hunny Kids. This is the cot sheet and this is for the change table. Just stay with me while I show you how these two simple products change up a look in a nursery and you don't need to change your whole room just to get a new look. Change the change table, which is right behind me, and then I'll show you the room as a whole and what a big change it's made just with two simple products, how the room looks quite different.